this is Sean. I'm the contractor. So here is 2 bedrooms. We have to do renovation today. So this is the small bedroom and medium-sized bedroom, and we have to change the doors. The door's condition is not okay, so it's old. That's why we have to change this. And this door also old. We have to change. And the third door we have to change also. The condition is not okay because old. And also here in the bedroom, you see the color is dark. The dark color is pushed, and that's why we have to make some good color and lighter. And we have to fix this closet door. The closet door is needs to be adjusted and put it back to the roll. And we have to fix the ceiling. The ceiling is condition not okay. The finish was before unprofessional. We have to make it nice and smooth. And yeah, so we have to put the new floor here, the vinyl laminate floor. Also, we have to remove on this small bedroom the carpet is old, the condition is not okay. So also in this small bedroom has a problem is the taping is came up, and all taping is came up because it was unprofessional job. We have to remove all the tapes on the ceiling, on the wall corners, and also the sheetrock was installed with the nail. Most of them is nailing, it came up. You can see right here and right here like a start of the nails. We have to remove the nails, we fit the nails, we have to screw it with the screw. The filter rod we have to remove and come here. So from here up to corner we have to make some closet. So it's a little small closet. And we have to move the TV next to the window, close to the window, and let's see. We just finished 2 bedrooms. The bedroom is medium size, and this one is the small size. Come here, I'm gonna show you what we did here. So we put the new floor here. The vinyl floor laminate is for very easy to maintain. It's clean. And you can drop the water, nothing will with him. Okay, we fixed the ceiling issue. It was like a nailing came up and a lot of unfinished, like the spackling was unset. Okay, as you see, it's perfect now. And you don't see any issue. The moldings, we cook it around, and the moldings condition is not perfect. And right here we put the new sliding door that before was broke. The corner was broke, and it was came up from the truck, and we replaced the door. Also, we put here, I installed here new outlet, electrical outlet. If you saw before in the video, right here was like extension cord. Now as you see a new outlet here, you can easily connect it with the TV. Is very easy and good. And we put the new door here. It's brand new door. The condition is perfect now. It's easy to close and easy to open. Come here, I'm going to show you another small bedroom. Here is we made the closet. It's a normal closet. They put a lot of stuff in there already. I can open. So the floor and ceiling, light fixtures we put, and yeah, it looks great. I like it. If you guys like it, please subscribe and give me a like. Thank you so much. And here, a new door. Look at how easy to close and open.